Okay, so today we're going to talk about a CRM. And a CRM is Customer Relation Management Software. Pretty much, mauni siya ang pinaka-importante na tool na gigamit sa isa ka real estate agent or broker. Mainly because mauni siya this is the house where all of the contacts dito i-manage para kay bauta when we need to update them or if need nato i-follow up ang mga cold leads kanang walay tubag-tubag. Also with CRMs, a multifaceted naman gani siya na tool. So you can use this. Most of the CRMs have a dialing capability, texting, emailing, and even marketing capability already. So anyway, karon atong lantawon ra mga major parts na gigamit sa isa ka real estate virtual assistant. Few things na always good at tuan would be contacts, opportunities, and conversations. Mo gina yung pinaka-basic yun na asikasoon sa isa ka real estate um, virtual assistant. So let's start with the contacts. As the name implies, diha nakabutang ang mga contact sa atong agent. So it would usually have a name, a phone number, email address if naa, and it would show you when the contact was created. When you say create, it could either be something you manually upload ninyo by doing this, or gi-upload ninyo in bulk, like namoy Excel file nga gi-upload para na mabutang dirang contacts. It would also show you the last activity done sa kanang contacts just by looking into this page. They would also have the task, like if na mga task na naka-assign sa imo, how we create a task, I'm gonna show you in a different video.